Welcome to this presentation of the module Solving Technical Problems, which is part of the problem-solving competence area. Here you will find the contents for this module. We will begin with a short introduction and address the learning objectives of this module. Then we will address the competence of solving technical problems. Afterwards, we will see some great tools which will help with this competence in the classroom. Modern educators have the option of online classes thanks to mainstream technology. But exactly because they heavily rely on technology, online classes are susceptible to multiple technical problems, often happening at the same time. Plus, when the class is bigger, consisting of, for example, 20 students, the probability of something going wrong increases. What's the main issue here? The educator or the IT staff cannot intervene for every minor issue. Students should be capable of basic technical troubleshooting while at home. However, conventional teaching methods rarely address any technical problem-solving skills, despite this being a necessity. How many times has a technical issue disrupted the flow of the lesson? Fortunately, in this presentation you will find some great tools you can use to familiarize your students with solving technical problems. The choice of these tools for this competence is based on the problem-solving competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. With all of the above in mind, let's see the learning objectives. In this module, you will learn how to use digital tools to foster the technical problem-solving skills of students. You will also learn how to make students more confident and willing to resolve technical issues on their own initiative. And you will also learn how to improve the flow of online lessons by minimizing disruptions caused by technical issues. Moving forward, what do we mean when we say that the competence of this module belongs to the competence area of problem solving? As problem solving is transversal, it applies to any area of competence, which makes total sense because you can see problems and solutions everywhere in life. Having noted that, solving technical problems in the online classroom will be facilitated by creating content which develops technical problem-solving skills and ensuring that students are facing technical issues actively, not passively. Proficiency in the competence of solving technical problems can be measured by identifying technical problems when operating devices or navigating digital environments and identifying and applying solutions to them. Going from theory to action, let's see some fantastic tools which will be of great help to you. So let's imagine a scenario. You're in the classroom normally, and every student has brought a laptop with them for an activity. 2 laptops or 3 have problems signing in. What do? You intervene or call the IT person for that. This is already very distracting and time-consuming, so the problem becomes much worse when you cannot be physically there to help. Of course, you should try your best remotely, but the role of the student in solving technical problems at home is significantly upgraded. This is why it is wise to invest some time to help students with technical problem solving via some great tools available. The first tool presented is ThingLink, because it is great for 3D models, and 3D models are highly compatible with explaining devices. And it is also great for making decision trees, which are commonly used to train for technical troubleshooting. The second tool is Kahoot, which is great to make the use of devices more enjoyable during lessons through interactive quizzes, lessons, and more. Kahoot is great to make students more confident with devices while having fun. Last on the list is TED-Ed, which offers an easy way to produce a video lesson about solving technical issues and making sure everybody is paying attention. Let's see everything in more detail. So let's start with ThingLink. ThingLink is a relatively niche tool with an interesting concept behind it. It's about connecting objects in their physical environment to related digital information on the web. With ThingLink, you can enrich your existing content with interactive points, and it's great for unique material you don't meet quite that often, such as 3D models, maps, floor plans, 360-degree images, and another category which is great for solving technical problems, decision trees. To visit the official website of ThingLink, press on the link here. After creating your account and getting to the dashboard, you're immediately exposed to the different categories of content you can make. Now, precisely because ThinkLink has many unique categories, the creators of ThinkLink have introduced many guides and resources for any category. You can pause and check some of the resources here and here. The 3D model is a very interesting choice for objects not intuitively understood on paper. The special thing about the 3D model is the fact that you can rotate it. The modem router is a great candidate for the 3D model explanation because usually the reset button is on the back of it. With ThinkLink, you can add an interactive button to the modem router and have the students rotate it to find the corresponding interactive point. For more about annotating 3D models, press here. Now, the scenario category corresponds to the decision tree option I mentioned. Decision trees are optimal for solving technical problems because they focus on isolation, meaning that you are trying to isolate the root cause of the problem. There are standard procedures which can be implemented whenever there is a technical problem which typically occurs. For more about building scenarios, press on the link here. When should I upgrade my ThinkLink plan? You should upgrade when you need to share and publish your content. You should also upgrade if you want to collect engagement statistics from your students. You should upgrade if you want unlimited media uploads and consider if the ThinkLink school license fits your needs if you want to have the students create content as well. You can view more details on the plans in the following slides of the presentation. Our next one is Kahoot. It is a great game-based learning platform where you can create, share, and play learning games or trivia quizzes. It's the fun option. You can tweak the format of questions and add videos, images, and even diagrams to boost class engagement. Kahoot is great for boosting confidence when using devices and navigating digital environments because it is more entertaining and less intimidating. You can safely go to the website of Kahoot by clicking on the link here. When creating an account, make sure to choose the teacher category. You will then be redirected to a large crowded interface of Kahoot. There is a lot to explore, and I suggest that you click here and there yourself, but for your own convenience, I have noted some interesting resources which you can find here, here, and here. Out of everything on the page, you should click on the button Create Kahoot. While there are many formats, the trivia quiz is the most common one. You will be creating questions and answers, assigning the correct answers, and then host a Kahoot. Your students will then enter the quiz via their device and participate. Sometimes simple things and tasks such as logging into your Kahoot quiz is all it takes to build this confidence and can-do mentality when solving technical problems. When to upgrade? You should upgrade when you need to include more than 40 players per game. You should also upgrade for access to advanced quiz question types. You should additionally upgrade to more advanced plans for more game modes and presentation features according to your personal or institutional needs, of course. To view more about the premium plans for Kahoot, you can pause and view the following slides on your presentation. Last but not least, TED Ed. You may know TED from TED Talks and animated educational material. TED Ed is an educational platform with broad and interesting material. However, there's more to it. You can use the TED Ed platform to turn its educational material or any other YouTube video into a lesson. You can add questions to the video and collect answers from students to assess whether they have been watching carefully. To navigate to the official website of TED Ed, you can pause and click on the link here. It's very easy to create an account. First click on Educator Start here and then Get Started. After that, on the big red bar, press Create. You can make a collection of TED Ed videos specifically, but what you really want is to press on Lesson and search or input a URL of the video you're interested in using. For more information about TED Ed lessons, press on the link here. Turning a video into a lesson is not hard. It doesn't mess up with the flow of the video in any way, and it has a standard structure which is simple because it works. It has an introduction, a number of questions you can add, whether open or multiple choice. You can click Dig Deeper to add more information and resources, discuss, for an additional discussion prompt, and a conclusion. While it is simple, some resources may still be of help to you, which I have placed here and here. What about premium plans? There are no premium plans. TED is a simple yet powerful free tool for everybody to use. There are many technical difficulties which can occur in the classroom, but with the right tools, anyone can be trained to solve them. Thank you so much for your attention.